Okay, so now we're finally recording. So I guess we tried to create an image. So what we did was we went in, we typed the command sudo docker commit with the container ID and then the name we want to give it. So it showed a transaction ID. So if we did now,
I share your screen.
oh, good job. Oh, thank you, bro. Hold on, let me share the screen from my other machine. Hold on 1 second. All right, go ahead. Go ahead. I was gonna become like that other person the other day. He went through half the process and we couldn't see anything.
Yes, Mohan.
All right, so we did sudo docker commit. We got the container ID, and then we named it as Apache 2. So now if we do sudo docker images, nice. So now we have two different images, one which is plain Ubuntu, then the other one is Apache 2 with Ubuntu. So initially it was 72.8 megabytes. This file is 221 megabits per second, megabits per second. All right, so that was funny. All right, so now that we committed the file, what do you guys want to do next? Guys, can you hear me?
Yes, sure.
I can hear you. So why don't we, like if you want to save changes to, why don't you go into that container?
The one that we just saved?
Yeah, the one that you just, the one that you just created.
Sudo docker exec it space container ID.
Container no, that is images. You're taking the image.
Okay, 1 second. Image, right?
Bash. Yeah, bash. So the you see the issue with that is it only recognizes number. It's not going to take that bash that Apache 2. Do
Let's try
Docker.
the
Do Docker PS. Do Docker PS.
sudo docker ps.
Yeah, okay. So the container.
Do you want to run the container?
Yeah, do Docker PS. Yeah, do Docker sudo docker run. Interactive. Okay. I mean, you could do Ubuntu.
But if you're gonna do Ubuntu, then that's what we have right now, right?
So we already have a container. So what I would do is I will just go into that container, like do sudo docker exec -it.
Okay, I see what you mean.
And then copy that container ID. The container ID.
For Ubuntu, this one?
Yeah,
Or,
that's the only ID we have right now.
correct.
And then paste it there.
No, IT.
IT, interactive.
Enter?
Yeah.
Yes.
Sudo docker exec.
Okay, 1 second. Let me go to the next page. Let's do sudo docker images, right? Then let's do sudo docker
Execute. IT.
Let me see one thing real quick. Okay, so sudo, because I wanted to get the container, right? Sudo docker exec space -it, right? Space container ID, right?
Yes.
Yes.
And then bash.
Okay. I feel like because we're already running it,
Yeah, you're in there now. Okay.
So now I'm
So
in the
so
root.
so now you're in there now. You're running at the root. So we can so if I mean
You want to
so
make a
like
directory?
here we can make directory right now. Yeah.
There you go.
You can create a directory.
And you see the difference here. If I do ls or if I do ll.
If you do ls, clear your screen first. Okay, if you do ls, enter. Okay, so now if you this what you have here came with the container.
Except for this one.
So if you do ls-a, so
There you go.
you get my point, right? And then if you do ls-lh, so enter. So it's going to list them like vertically, while the other one listed all the files and direct, or like horizontally. So now,
So then,
did you create a new directory?
yeah, what I'm trying to figure out is what would be the difference between, oh, you see ls-lh, right?
Yeah,
But if you do ll also gives you the hidden container.
the hidden. Yeah, so it's gonna give you like all the hidden files.
Hmm. And ls just drops everything vertically.
Yeah, it just kind of like give you. It doesn't show you the hidden files. It just drop them vertically. You see.
Hmm.
So with H and A, you see more of the files.
Right. Interesting. Okay, let's clear the screen.
Okay, so you can see the into that directory now.
Right. ls. Okay. Where would you like to go next?
So
CD.
which did you create a directory?
Yeah, this one, CD app.
Is that the one you created?
Yeah, or we can call what we can do another directory and we
Yeah.
can call it 123 since we're 3 people. Okay. There
Yeah.
you, there you go. You see, so we created this and that. So since we created app, let me remove app, right? Remove
Yeah, you can remove.
dash r app. Okay, done. So it's only 123 for
Yeah.
classification purposes. All right. I guess this is where we'll do all the stuff, huh?
Yes. So here is where this, because this is like you're customizing your container now. So here you can walk, do whatever you need to do here. And then when it's all set and done, I think that's when you push it to your Docker Hub, right?
Yeah. Would you like to push it to the Docker Hub?
Yeah, we could do that. I mean, we might as well complete the process.
Why not?
Yeah.
Okay, so now, in order for us to push this in, the commands would be, I can't remember. Let me think. Okay, I think
Uh,
I,
can I say something?
yeah, of course.
Yeah, it's Docker push, the username, then the container ID.
Excellent. So let's go ahead and do that. Now, sudo docker push. So sudo docker push username.
Since we're already in the root, we may not use sudo again. Just Docker push, username,
See?
then the container ID.
So what do we want to call this? Apache 2, I guess. Because remember, whatever we're gonna give the name. So it's basically username and image name, right?
Yes, I think Apache 2 is fine.
Okay.
Yes,
So
Apache 2.
I'm gonna go ahead and push it. Docker command not found. So let me do one thing. Docker login. It's not doing that either. Let me do sudo docker login. No. So I guess first
So,
we have to,
what are you trying to do, Abbas?
well, I'm trying to take this in from, let's say 123, and I want to push it to Grubhub, right? Docker Hub.
Yeah, I think you have to exit the container first.
Okay.
Okay. So now do sudo docker login.
Let me, okay, sudo docker login, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So your username to your Docker Hub,
Smart Brains Legacy.
and then your password to your Docker Hub, I believe.
Give me 1 second. Let me see if I have it open. Okay, Docker Hub login. Sign in with your Docker ID. Smart Brains Legacy. Okay, I don't remember my credentials. Does anyone have credentials? Do you remember your credentials?
I don't have Docker Hub yet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sunny, do you remember your credentials?
No.
Okay, because what I was gonna do was I was gonna share my machine so you can just do it for the. Okay, hold on. Let me share my entire screen then. Stop share. Share the entire screen, right? So let's see here, and let's see here. So now we want to go to, what are we going to? Docker Hub login. So Smart Brains Legacy. Obviously, I don't remember. Let me do Gmail real quick. See what do we get here. What is this? Welcome around. Okay. Smart Brains Legacy is correct. So let's do one more time. Letters and numbers only. Why? Let me just do this real quick. Smart Brains Legacy at Gmail. Okay, check your email. Let's see if we got something. Okay, let me stop the screen real quick. Let's do reset password. Smart. Oh. Reset password. Save never. Log in. Okay. What? password, okay? Yeah, I'm having a difficult time.
Yeah, it's fine. We'll
Uh,
get there.
Yeah, because it did send me an email for the password recovery. I'm putting it. And why is it not working? smartbrainslegacy@gmail.com. Okay, checking again. Got another email from them. All right. So this one just came in now. Okay. There's nothing I am doing different than I do any day. Anyway. So what seems to be the problem? Reset your docket. Okay, I'm gonna change a different password now. Let's see. No, I'm having some difficulties.
We have practice from 1 to 3.
Today?
Mhm.
Okay. All right, later.
It's conditioning.
All right.
Cereal.
Hey guys, sorry I'm having some
No, no problem. Just resolve it. We are watching.
Yeah, sorry.
all good, all good. Okay, test. Reset password. Like when I do it, it sends me a message saying error from accounts. Why is it giving error from accounts? I have no idea.
You've tried to reset the password already?
Yeah, 3 times now.
Okay, and you put in the right password. You are sure it's correct? Sometimes there are mistakes.
Oh no, 100%
Okay,
is correct.
okay.
Interesting. Okay. Yeah, I don't know why.
Sorry.
No, no need to be sorry, bro. This is part of life. That's what we do.
Yeah.
I think I may have an idea. Reset password. Okay. Tell me a password, guys, real quick. Okay, I got one. I'm gonna put trust. And
DevOps.
yeah.
DevOps gang.
Okay. Dev ops gang. Okay.
Very long though.
Okay, I think it worked. Okay. Dev ops gang. Same thing. Dev ops gang. Oh, brother. All right, you know what? Let's give it a minute. maybe it needs a little bit more time, but what I'll do is nice ringtone.
Hola, Karen. Hola, chacha, dale, Karen.
Oh, I guess it worked here. It didn't work on the other login page.
Excellent.
Okay, you see one more thing. It says your password will be stored unencrypted in this location. Configure a credential helper to remove this warning. See this, okay. Okay, I guess it just saves it. Okay, so now I'm able to log in. So let's do Docker push. Hold on, let's go to the upper screen. Docker push smart brains legacy Apache 2. Let me see if Sunny's there. Sunny, you there?
Okay.
Sunny, I was able to log in successfully. So what was happening was I was not able to log in through the portal, but
Yes.
I was able to log in through the putty, you know, which is weird. All right, so I was able to log in, so it asked for my username, it asked for my password, it was successful. Now I'm going and I'm gonna do Docker push username / and the image name, right?
Okay.
Got permission denied while trying to connect to the Docker daemon socket at Unix. This link, permission denied. Okay. Now, why was the permission denied?
All of us? Mhm. And for anybody that wins a successful game, you can go. You know what time? Mm-hmm. What time? 1 to 3.
Since we're not in the root, yeah, can we use sudo docker push?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Okay.
Control A, sudo docker push. Oh, most likely I may have to create a repository, maybe? What do you guys think?
I think you have to, because you have to map it to that repository.
So let me go to Docker Hub login. Okay. Yeah, but in order for me to do that, I have to log in. And the problem is it's not allowing me to log in right now. Oh boy. Anyone else want to try logging in? Sunny, you want to create a repository real quick?
You need to get your breakfast.
Okay, no problem, bro.
Yeah.
All right, so I guess let me see if I can go ahead and resolve this issue. Or what we can do is we can pick it up over here from tomorrow. What do you think?
Okay.
Or I will call you when I'm done.
Okay. So
Okay.
perfect. So in the meantime, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and review the Kubernetes right now.
Okay, no problem. And then I'll look at Docker to see what we need to do to finish up.
Yeah, I think this would be pretty much the remaining part, just in case.
Yeah, because I know you create that container, and you go into the container, and then you create the Apache tool,
Right.
and then you could now do sudo docker run it -d, and then the new image that you created, the Apache, and then
Right.
go to that, and then you can make changes there, save the changes, and then you can push it now.
Yep. 100%.
Okay.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and so this will be our third video today. So it's
Okay.
gonna be like part 1 of 3, part 2 of 3, and this will be part 3 of 3, right? So in case if
Okay.
anybody has questions, you can go ahead over there. Not a big deal. And then
Okay.
you can give me a call when you're done. And trust, if you want to stay on, I'm gonna close this Zoom and then reopen it, and then we can play around with all the commands. So this way you can get some more practice. Yeah.
Sure. Sure.
Okay, that sounds good.
All right,
Yeah.
guys. Talk to you guys soon. Sunny, do you have an ETA? Any estimated time of
Not
accomplishment?
really.
Okay.
But I'll definitely give you a call as soon as I can.
Okay. You got it,
All right.
brother. All right.
All
Enjoy the weekend, guys.
You too.
Take care. Bye. We're gonna go ahead and end this meeting right now, and then Trust, you can join again. Yeah.
Sure. Yeah.